Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing and showing you how to set up the newest product from G Home Smart, which is the Wi-Fi Smart Power Strip. It is compatible with Amazon and Google Assistant, and yeah, so these 6 outlets here are individually controlled, and these 3 USB ports are all controlled at once. You get a physical power button right there for manual control, and you get 2 USB-A ports and a USB-C port capable of 30-watt fast charge, which is good for charging a laptop without using the power adapter. So let's open it. So here we have our power strip and a little card. Alright, so here's the cable. I don't know exactly how long this cable is, but I'll put it right here. So let me just undo this cable tie. Yeah, so you have this nice long cord grounded at a angle, and here is like the power strip. You can mount it with these holes. Oh, we have a plastic peel. Alright, so let's get this set up. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in. Alright, it's plugged in. Alright, so let's get it all set up in the app. So there's many apps you could use for this. If you already have G Home Smart products, you can use this one. You can use the G Home app. You could use the Smart Life app or the Tuya Smart app, and just make sure you download. You can use whichever one, and you can download it from the App Store. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna be using Tuya Smart. All right, close that. And right here, it's going to be discovered, but in order for it to discover, make sure you have your Bluetooth enabled. If it doesn't, just press add and follow the app instructions. So we're going to press add. And then add again. And here it's going to give you your Wi-Fi. Make sure you connect to a 2.4 gigahertz network. An easy way to tell is if there's at the end of your Wi-Fi name, there'll be like 5 or 2.4. Make sure it's 2.4, and right here it gives you the option to change it. It will not work on 5 gigahertz network. You'll need 2.4 gigahertz. So press next, and we'll let it set up. Alright, so it's already connected. So now I'm gonna name the product. You can pick a name, it's optional. I'm just gonna call it Power Strip for the purpose of this video, and assign it a room, and hit done. So here is the app interface. So here is for outlet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can name each individual one from the app. And here's the control for the USB thing. It's just one. And here's a main power on and off. Pretty cool. And here you do get energy monitoring. And here you get some settings, and you have a child lock too. So if you go right here, this is the main settings for the product. So yeah, so I actually brought my phone charger right here because I'm gonna test out the USB ports. So I'm gonna switch it on and plug the USB-C in, and then plug this into my phone. And it is indeed charging. So here you have third-party control, so you can connect it with your Google or Amazon Assistant, device information. Here's the option to rename it and assign it a room. You get automation check network diagnostics. You could share it with another user so they could also control it. You could group it, and you can get notifications for it. Here it gives you an option so you'll be notified if the thing ever gets disconnected from the Wi-Fi, help center, a shortcut, and updating the firmware. I recommend turning auto upgrade on so it'll automatically update the device firmware whenever a new one is released. Yeah, so it's very simple. So now I'm going to show you how to connect it to your Google Assistant. So what you'll need is a Google Home app and a Google Assistant. And you're going to go under Devices, Add, and this is important, you're going to do Works with Google. And whichever app you used, you have to search it and select it. So for example, I did Tuya. I'm going to search it. And I'm going to press it and it's going to toggle me to sign in, but since I already have Tuya devices and it's already connected, I won't need to do that for this video. And to link it with Alexa, you're going to go into the Amazon Alexa app. Then you're going to go under this device tab. Then you're going to press add device. And then you're going to scroll down to plug right here. And then when you do this one, we're going to scroll down and find G Home Smart and connect it through there. So yeah, it's already automatically connected to it. So yeah, we're all done. This is how you so let me just check something real quick. So in the Google Home app, it'll come down to each individual switch. So here's the main toggle for the on off. Then this is for Google Home and Amazon. You have individual option for each control thing. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, so that's it for this video.